If you love that clicky, satisfying keyboard sound, this one's for you. This is the INPHIC G61 Mechanical Keyboard, and it comes with blue switches, which means every key press feels super tactile and sounds crispy. Perfect for gamers and typists who want that responsive, old-school mechanical vibe. It's a 60% layout, so it's compact and space-saving, but still feels premium with its solid build. Now, I know you're here for this part, so here's a quick sound test. If you love that sound, click the yellow basket and grab one for your setup.